Hi everyone, my name is Christian and today I will show you how to make a rice and sausage sauce recipe in just a few minutes. First, we put rice to boil. I put 1 kg of rice. Then we add salt. We also need 3 big onions and we cut them in small pieces. Now I'm gonna cut 4 big carrots in small pieces, like this. What? It's not sharp enough for you? I know. Like this, look. Try. Good job! Now I'm frying pre-chopped mushrooms, 300 grams, salt and pepper, I have here smoked sausages, and same thing, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. When mushrooms are halfway done, I'll add the sausages. We are going to add garlic. Also the carrots and onions. The carrots are done and therefore I add the tomato sauce. We turn the heat on low and we let it boil for a few minutes. My delicious rice and sausage sauce is ready. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment. Bye bye.